Mostly Lular and PUWER discussed together. Yesterday, I have presented a short introduction. What is Lular Regulation 1998? And today, I would like to highlight what is PUWER. This is also a quick and short tutorial. So, without wasting time, let's get started. If you are watching for the first time, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon for all future notifications. And if you find the video informative, then like, comment and share it with your friends and fellows. PUWER stands for Provision and Use of Work Equipment Regulations, and it is also a set of UK regulations that aim to ensure that work equipment is suitable, maintained, and used safely in the workplace. The regulations apply to all employers and self-employed individuals who provide, use, or control work equipment, work-related machinery. Under PUWER, employers must ensure that all work equipment is, number one, suitable for intended use. What does it mean exactly? Work equipment must be suitable for the tasks it is used for and for the working environment in which it is going to be operated or used. For example, a forklift truck used to lift heavy loads must have a suitable lifting capacity for those loads. Number two, maintained in good working order. Employers must ensure that all work equipment is maintained regularly, inspected thoroughly, and repaired or replaced when necessary. Number three, used by competent people. Employers must ensure that workers who use work equipment are competent, trained, and have the necessary skills and knowledge to use the equipment safely and efficiently. Number four, accompanied by suitable safety measures. Employers must ensure that work equipment is used with appropriate safety measures such as guards, warning devices, horns, or personal protective equipment, PPE. And number five, inspected and tested. Employers must ensure that all work equipment is inspected and tested before it is used for the first time and at regular intervals thereafter. For example, a lifting crane must be inspected and tested before it is used to lift any loads. Remember, roller is only for lifting machinery, but PUWER for all machinery, all work-related equipment. This is the basic and the major difference. Overall, PUWER aims to ensure that all work equipment is safe to use, properly maintained, and suitable for the intended task, thereby minimizing the risk of accidents, incidents, and injuries in the workplace. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Wish to see you soon with a new HSC tutorial. Until then, take care, good luck, and goodbye.